Cups are warm, the sky is gray. Rain explains what words can't say. Streetlights blur like watercolor. Thoughts move slow, but feel much fuller. Nothing urgent, nothing loud. Just a table, just a cloud. Late coffee, early dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Sip the day before it's gone. I don't need to hurry on. Steam is rising, so am I. Not above, just passing by. Every doubt is half asleep. Every promise mine to keep. I don't chase the future fast. I just let the present last. Late coffee, early dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Sip the day before it's gone. I don't need to hurry on. If the night asks where I've been, I'll say here and still within. All the moments I ignore taste much sweeter than before. Late coffee, early dreams. Let the quiet carry me.